Hey everybody, it's Johnny Fuel, and today is the morning of day 5, I think, my last day. Anyway, I'm waking up here in Cortez. I'm having my first kind of lazy day of the whole trip. It's actually kind of late. It's 8:45 and I still have to eat breakfast and take a shower. But today I'm pretty much driving back home. It'll take me about 4 hours or so. And it looks like a beautiful day. It's a little cooler here. I must be in higher altitude. I woke up, it was 64 degrees. I think that's about the coolest it's been first thing in the morning since my trip started. It's plenty hot back in Rio Rancho. But yeah, with that, I got a lot of cleaning up and packing up to do here. And I will get on the road and head back. Okay, just leaving Cortez, and my next stop is Farmington, New Mexico. So I'll be crossing the border. It's about an hour, I don't know, hour away or something. And then I think from there I'm a couple hours yet from 2.5 hours maybe from Rio Rancho. So 80 degrees. Warmed up quickly. Sure feels good to be moving because I got the air flowing. Hey, there's a helicopter. Back into the town of Cortez, I guess. Yeah, I think this is a reverse of what I did on Saturday when I came up. So, ooh, look at all that dust. What's going on over there? Yuck. Yeah. I think the Ute Mountains are over here somewhere. Maybe those are it. Not really sure. Ute or Uti. Alright, I just left Farmington, and it looks like I have about 92 miles to get to Cuba, which is where I'll stop and get some more gas. That'll probably be my last real stop before I get home. And this section of the highway is high speed, 75 or 70 miles an hour. About 75 or so. So it's pretty, but it's also noisy. Got my earplugs in, and I'm just gonna
Grip It and Rip It is next 92 miles or so. So yeah, I'll see you on the backside. Now I'm in Cuba, elevation about 7,000 feet. And I think I'll take a little break here, get some gas, get something to drink. Oh, here's a gas station. All right, I just saw something very odd, and I couldn't my battery ran out, but I just saw a car was on the side of the road, and then as I was approaching, it whipped around like it was doing a U-turn, and then it stopped in the middle of the road, and I could see someone who had fallen out or pushed out or something on the driver's side. The car was between me and that door. And when I passed, I looked, and it looked like a woman, and she was holding her head. And then a guy got out, helped her back, kind of, maybe a little roughly. I don't know what the story was. And then they took off the other direction. I was tempted to follow them or something, but I don't know if I want to, it could be dangerous. I don't know if I want to get involved. Shoot. Could have just been an accident, but I don't know. What the story was. Yeah. If it's a violent situation, I don't, if I start following, they might. He's going to know I turned around to follow. I'd rather just call somebody, but I didn't get the license plate or anything. There's that Cabazon mound over there. You can see it. I've been there before in a previous video on my KLR 650. That's kind of a nice drive and a neat formation. I am almost home. I'm just turning into my neighborhood. I will be done. I'll be home in just a few minutes.
right, well, let me check this journey here. It looks like I went 1,154 miles. Travel time 25 hours. Max speed 81, average 45. Anyway, but the total mileage was 1,154 miles. Well, hey everybody. So this is the end of my journey. I just got home and I'm going to unwind a little bit. I just unpacked. So it was about 1,150 miles, something like that was the total mileage start to end. I got to drive to Moab, see a bunch of the trails and scenic drives there, experience a little bit of Moab. It was too hot to camp. I kind of missed out on that. I'm a little disappointed that I didn't have a little bit better weather for that, but I didn't want to camp in 108 degree temperatures. And then I got to drive on the $1 Million Highway on the way back and stay in a cute little Airbnb. And now I'm back. So that's the end of this journey. It was a good time. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching.